Children, we learned two stanzas yesterday. Before yesterday, one stanza, yesterday, second stanza. Now we are going to learn about third stanza. Before that, we will come back to the story. There was a duck and kangaroo. The duck was fed up with the water living in the pond. It wanted to see around the world, but it couldn't possible to it. Then it saw a kangaroo hopping and happily enjoying the life by seeing the world. So it requested kangaroo to take her a trip. So in second paragraph, she told that she should sit quite calm, just quack, and throughout the journey, he will be polite. The duck wanted to go tea and jelly bowly place. That is an imaginary place. So it is requesting, please take me a ride. Oh, do. It is confirming whether you take it or not. See. Then third paragraph. Third stanza. See how nicely the scenery is. How nicely the hopping places of the kangaroo. The sceneries are very so nice. And it is taking. So by sitting it at the back of her tail, it was taking to the world around. So see how beautiful the sceneries are. Now here is the jelly bolly, the imaginary world, and here is the on the way the sceneries. It was enjoying. The duck was enjoying. Now the kangaroo was replying in this stanza. See, said the kangaroo to the duck, this requires some little reflection. Perhaps the whole it might bring me luck. And there seems but one objection, which is if you will let me speak so bold. Your feet are unpleasantly wet and cold and would probably give me rheumatism, said kangaroo. Again I will read it. Said kangaroo to duck, this requires some little reflection. Perhaps in the whole it might bring me luck, and there seems but one objection, which is if you let me speak so bold. Your feet are unpleasantly wet and cold, and will probably give me rheumatism, said kangaroo. See, children, we will try to sing. Whether it is good or not, we will try to sing as a poem. Said the kangaroo to the duck, this requires some little reflection. Said kangaroo to the duck, this requires some little reflection. Perhaps in the whole it might bring me luck. Perhaps in the whole it bring me luck. And there seems but one objection. And there seems but one objection, which is if you will let me speak so bold. Which is if you will let me speak so bold. Your feet are unpleasantly wet and cold. Your feet are unpleasantly wet and cold. And I probably give me rheumatism, said the kangaroo. Said the kangaroo to the duck. See what did duck said to the kangaroo? To whom it was the kangaroo telling? To the duck. What it said? This means the request of the duck. Some little reflection. It is getting its mind to take her a trip. See the meaning. Verify the glossary here. Verify the glossary replies. Throughout careful thought. Throughout careful thought. So again come to the paragraph. So this requires some little reflection. ఏమంటున్నది ఇప్పుడు నాకు జాగ్రత్తగా ఆలోచిస్తే ఒక ఆలోచన వచ్చింది. దిస్ రిక్వైర్స్ బై లిజనింగ్ యువర్ రిక్వెస్ట్ ఐ గాట్ సమ్ ఐడియా, సమ్ థాట్. పర్హాప్స్ ఇన్ ద హోల్ ఇట్ మైట్ బ్రింగ్ మీ లక్. ఓకే, బై టేకింగ్ యూ టు ద ట్రిప్ I will also benefit with some luck. And there seems but one objection. But there is one little objection. It said there was a little objection. What was the objection? Duck's feet are unpleasantly wet and cold. Why? Why the duck's feet are unpleasantly wet and cold? It was always in the water. So they are unpleasantly wet and cold. Is it barely said that word? No. If you permit me, I will tell you. I will let me speak bold, it asked. That means it follow the manners. It follow the manners how to speak with the others. So that's why it used which is if you let me speak so, which means what? Objection. Which means what here? Objection. I have one objection. If you give me permission, I will say it boldly to you. Okay. What would happen if she take her with the wet feet? The kangaroo may get rheumatism. Rheumatism means what? Joint pains and fever. That is called as rheumatism. We will call it in Telugu Kelavatam lantidi. Rheumatism. Said kangaroo. చూడమ్మా, కంగారు చక్కగా తీసుకెళ్ళటానికి నా మనసులో ఆలోచన వచ్చింది. నేను తీసుకెళ్ళటం వల్ల కూడా నాకు అదృష్టం అనుకుంటాను. కానీ నాకు ఒక ధైర్యం చేసి ఒక చిన్న మాట చెప్తున్నాను. నీ కాళ్ళు ఎప్పుడూ తడిగా ఉంటాయి. ఇప్పుడు నేను నా మీద ఎక్కించుకొని తీసుకెళ్తే కనుక ఆ తడికి నాకు రొమటైజ్ రావచ్చు. రొమటైజ్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ డిజీజ్ అనమాట. అది జాయింట్స్ మజిల్స్కి వచ్చేది. కాబట్టి నాకు అది వస్తుందేమో భయంగా ఉంది, నేను తీసుకెళ్ళేదాన్ని లేకపోతే అని తన యొక్క అనుమానాన్ని వెలిపుచ్చింది ఈ పద్యం ద్వారా.